and it would be the reverse ASIN lookup. What I wanted to analyze here is the ASIN, or you can also analyze multiple ASINs and find the keywords for your listing and for your PPC campaigns. I think I copied some of the ASINs here, put it in here in this box, and clicked find keywords. And those are the keywords that I found. There are, I think, hundreds and hundreds of them. I don't necessarily like all of them, so I can just remove them if I see that they are not suitable. But the rest are quite good. You can see the estimated monthly search volume in the US in this case for every keyword. You can see the history of these search volumes. Yeah, you can see the trend of the previous 2 months. Let me show how it works. For example, candles for men. As you see, this keyword is growing. Judging by the history, you can see that these products are particularly interesting in December and January. Well, we're getting closer to the Black Friday and Christmas and New Year's, and this is November. Oops, sorry. November is right now. This is October 2025.
Yeah.
And we already see that, yeah, it's growing. And there are a lot of keywords, I think, that represent somehow different ideas for presents. And they will grow. The search volume for a lot of products and keywords will grow in October, November, December, and even in January probably. And then there will be a cooling period. So you see, and I found a lot of keywords. I don't know if you see the widget, but I can't.
I'm
It's
seeing the
blocking some of my
search
screen.
volume. Yeah, search volume history, candles for men. I'm currently seeing.
Yes, yes. It's just the widget with our videos is blocking a little bit all of my graphs or widgets. I'm trying to organize it. Okay, it's fine. Well, so you can see the history for such keywords and the trend for the previous months if the interest for this keyword is growing. You can, copy all the keywords or export them after removing the ones that you don't like and analyze all of them afterwards in some Google Sheet program. But you can also do it right now. What also we have here is the column with the CPC bid. Well, the cost of one click when someone clicks on your ad or when your product is advertised for this, for example, keyword, when it's not in the organic results. You can see the average keyword sales for every keyword. It means that, well, the higher the better. It means that on average, organic products, first like 40 organic products that appear for this keyword on Amazon have 4,000 items sold per month on average, which is really, really, a really, really big number. And a lot of these keywords have quite, quite great big keyword sales. It can be competitive, but there's a lot of space for different sellers, in these niches for these keywords. We have ranking challenge kind of ratio, let's say. So there's a balanced one. There's a tooltip for each of them. A hard sign, like which means that it's quite hard to rank for the keyword redwood candle. So you can sort. And the easy ones, like we consider that these two keywords are not really hard to rank for, white barn scented candles, for example. The sales conversion is a ratio between search volume and the keyword sales. It can be higher than 100 sometimes. Sometimes, well, it can happen because there are a lot of sales for this keyword among the products, but some of the long-term keywords can be not that popular. But Amazon still pushes high-selling products in the organic, in the first organic results.
Yeah,
So
if I
it's better
understand
to,
you correctly, I think you're saying that maybe there's not much like search volume for it, but it
yeah,
does sell well, so that's why sales conversion is quite high. So, for example, with long tail keywords, sometimes people are really understanding what they want to buy. So, for example, I don't know, mahogany teakwood 3-week candle, they're like very much describing the product versus just like candle. So that's why maybe the kind of search volume is not big, but converting very well, I think.
yes, yes, you're right. And it's not only converting well, it's just that those products in the organic results on the first page also sell for different other keywords, not only for this one. So overall, the products that show up for this long tail keyword are selling quite high without any without any long tail keywords.
So you mean if, like, let's say mahogany teakwood 3-week candle, let's say it gets like relatively low search volume and it gets some sales, but also because there is sales for mahogany, let's say only, or mahogany teakwood,
Just for
then it takes
candles. Well,
okay, and then it takes that into consideration too in a way. So then, like, what we're seeing is like even if the I'm just trying to understand if the search volume is low, but sales are still quite high, it may be that they're getting sales from other related keywords, kind of thing that's are in that same big keyword, let's say in that big phrase, if I understand correctly.
um, they are getting sales for any kinds of keywords. So,
Okay.
do you know that if you put something even not unrelated, so
Hmm.
abracadabra on Amazon search in the Amazon search box, you would still get some products that are selling well or not. You
100%.
know, yes, and so we just kind of analyze the search volume for the keyword and the
Ah.
average keyword sales. So they are not necessarily connected, but we still try to count the ratio.
So, for example, if there's just a bestseller there for some candle, probably, but here's a bestseller, he's doing a lot of sales, so he's gonna be still impacting the average keyword sales, right? Even though the search volume is
Yeah,
low. Got it. Okay,
absolutely. And
got it
they
now.
can
Okay,
be a lot of bestsellers, candles
100%.
that show up, yeah, that show up for different long tail keywords
Mm-hmm.
with unnecessary detailing in the keyword, like mahogany, teakwood, there are a lot of words.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Okay, I understand.
not
Mm-hmm.
I understand. Not
Yes.
many people put this detailed expression in the search box, but there are still bestsellers. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you put
Cool,
it
cool.
correct
Hmm.
on the page.
Okay.
That's why this ratio can be more than 100,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
less
Okay.
than 10,
Yeah, yeah.
a very big range, yeah,
Uh-huh.
of ratio.
Mm-hmm. Cool, cool.
Um, See, yeah, that's how it works. Well, we also show the position and the page of this ASIN, this product, for every keyword that we
Mm-hmm.
mentioned here. So there are really different positions or ranks. Yeah, and you can also sort it. Yeah, and the sponsored page, we don't see many advertisement for this keyword. Well, we see here. So this product with this ASIN is
Mm-hmm.
trying uh, to pay to appear in the results for this bad and body works. I think that's
It's a
a
misspelling.
misspelling,
Yes, it seems like
misspelling.
it.
Yes,
Nice.
but they still appear because sometimes you have to consider the mistakes
100%. Yeah, yeah.
put in the search box.
This
Yeah.
can be really nice because maybe not added to some listings, but if we add them like to our listing, maybe we can do that in the back end. Will just appear there easily because it's still a relevant keyword. It's probably just a mistake, as you mentioned, instead of Bath and Body Works, which is the brand of these candles. By the way, really nice candles they do. So someone just wrote Bed and Body Works, but still it gets some search volume. So these are nice. Yeah, these are, and they're trying to get sponsored there because I assume that it seems like the CPC there is low because it's a less bid for keyword, I assume, because it's a mistake. So they're but still gets searches. So maybe they're getting kind of really easy sales there.
Yes, and you're right that the PPC bit is really low here. There's still some search volume.
Yeah.
Yeah, misspellination. Yeah, and yeah, they're trying to advertise for this keyword.
Mhm.
But for many other keywords, they're already on the first pages.